Hello again. This is Brett from Soul Rebels here with another workout. I just want to let everyone know we've got 20 subscribers, so feeling really pumped about that. If you come across this channel and you like what we're doing, go ahead and subscribe and hit that like button if you like this video. If you really like it, hit that little ding dong notification for our workout videos that come out weekly. So let's go ahead and get right into it. All right. We have got a body weight routine we're going to do today. Keeping it pretty simple and rudimentary. So should be fun. It's also low impact, so we're going to take it easy on our joints, and we can modify it. Some of the exercises, so a lot of people should be able to do these workouts. So let's go ahead and get our dynamic warm up. We've got two of them. The first one, we're going to do a groiner with an overhead reach, and then we're going to do prone back extensions, and we're going to do 10 reps of each. And so let's go ahead and get down in the push-up position. Okay, nice plank. We are going to take one foot, reach it up to our hand, and we're going to put our armpit to the ceiling, and that's one. Reach back with the foot, bring the other one up, and that's two. Here we go. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We got 10, 8, 9, and 10. From here, we are going to get down onto the prone position, which is our belly, and we are going to do back extensions. Okay, so let's get on our belly. All right, let's put our hands to our side, palms facing up, looking down at the ground, and we're going to come up in 3, 2, 1. Arms, legs come up, squeeze those glutes. That's 1. We got 10. Up, 2, up, 3, up, 4, up, 5, up, 6, up, 7, up, 8, up, 9, up, and 10. I'm feeling warmed up. I am ready to get this going. Let me explain the routine. We are doing a workout countdown routine. We've got 3 exercises. We've got push-ups, we've got prison squats, and we've got a modified burpee. Okay? And we do 10 reps of each, and we count down. That'd be 1. We go to 9 reps of each. Then we go to 8 reps of each. Then we go to 7. And then we go all the way down to 1. And that's it. Okay? So let's go ahead and get started. All right, the first exercise is going to be push-ups. We've got 10. Okay? If you want, you can do them from the knees. If not, you can do them from the plank position. And we got 10 push-ups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, 10 reps of 10 push-ups. All right, we are going to do prison squats. Prison squats, because we've all been to prison a time or two. We're going to take our hands, place them on the back of our head. All right, feet about shoulder width apart. Nice athletic stance position. And you're going to squat. Go ahead and look at the roof, ceiling above you. That's 1. We've got 10. Here we go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 10 prison squats. Now we're going to get right into modified burpee. Okay? And I'll show you these from the profile, and we're going to modify it because we're going to keep it low impact. Okay? And we're going to do 10 of them. All right? So go ahead and get in your athletic stance position. Feet a little bit outside your shoulders. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna squat down, hands go in front of you. One foot goes back, then the other, and then come back up, stand up. Now swim, we got 10. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right, so the whole purpose of this exercise is to not take too many breaks, but I might have to take one here or there. You try to run through the countdown as fast as you can go. So right now, we're gonna go into 9 reps of each exercise, and we're just gonna try to get through them. All right, so just hang out with me. We're gonna just take it step by step, and we're gonna get through it. Hey babe, can you get my water for me? Thank you. All right, I need my water, I gotta stay hydrated. So let's go ahead and get started with our push-ups. We are down to 9 reps. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. 9 reps. We're gonna do prison squats 9. So go ahead and get in your athletic stance position. Feet shoulder width, hands behind your head. Assume that position because we're going to prison and we're squatting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay, now modified burpees. All right, got 9 of them. Here we go. Get your feet out, a little bit outside your shoulders. Reach down, take a step out. That's 1. That's 2. That's 3. That's 4. That's 5. That's 6. That's 7. That's 8. That's 9. 1 second. Don't forget to hydrate. All right. Let's recenter. Catch our breath just a little bit. We're gonna knock it down to 8 reps. Okay? Do all 3, and we're just gonna get to 1. Right, it might seem redundant, but once it's said and done, you're gonna feel like you got a kick butt, I'm not sure you can say ass, but kick butt workout at the end of it, okay? So now we're down to 8. Rep count of 8. We're into push-ups. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. All right. Let's assume the position. Here we go, prison squats. And up, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. Modified burpee. Feet get out pretty wide, past your shoulders. Squat down. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Oh yeah, I'm starting to feel these. We've done 10, 9, 8. Now we're gonna get down 7 Okay, I gotta recenter. All right, we are going to catch our breath and we're gonna finish strong. Try to make this as believable as possible. All right, grab some water. Make sure you eat before this workout because it does require a lot of energy. All right, let's get up into the push-up position. Remember, you can do these from the knees. It's completely up to you and where you're at physically. I'm gonna do these from the regular push-up position. And here we go. 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right. Prison squats, static stance position. Hands behind your head, look up, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7. Okay, here we go, modified burpee. Whoo, I'm starting to feel these. Okay, squat out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Yeah, buddy. Yeah. Whew. So, this is a great, simple, effective routine. It'll really jack your heart rate up. You'll get strong. You'll burn calories. You'll feel good. And anybody can do it. Kids, adults, and it's all at your own pace, at your own physical ability, and where you're at. You know, again, know yourself. Push when you need to. Pull back when you need to. You know, basic. We're on to 6 now, okay? Here we go. Push-ups, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Come up. Prison squats, hands behind your head. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. All right, modified burpee. 6, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Yes, these are challenging. Once you notice, as the reps get lower, it's a little bit easier. Poquito, a little bit, okay? Catch your breath each round, okay? Get strong for it. Still, we want to try to get through these as quickly and as efficiently as possible. All right, here we go. 5, okay? We're getting through it. We got this, okay? We're in it to win it. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Yeah. Prison squats, assume the position. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Yes. All right. 5. Modified burpees. I am sweating. It's a good workout. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Oh yeah, we're getting through it. We are getting through it. We are almost done, guys. We're on the home stretch. I'm sweating. I am sweating. Make sure you guys have water. Okay, stay hydrated and replenished. All right. Very nice. Tasty. I have electrolytes, it's not water. It tastes pretty good. Okay, push-ups. We got 4, all right? Here we go. 4 push-ups. Let's do this together. 1, 2, 3, and 4. All right. Prison squats. Here we go. Athletic stance position. Assume the position, hands behind your head, and squat, look up, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. I'm sweating, guys. This is a great workout. Here we go. Modified burpee. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Whew. All right, man, we're almost done. We're getting through it. We are getting through it. Okay, let's just get right into it. Let's keep our heart rate up. Okay, 3s, push-ups. We got 3. Let's finish strong. 1, 2, and 3. Prison squats. Here we go. 1, 2, and 3. All right, modified burpee. Nice wide stance. Squat down, out to plank. That's 1. That's 2. And that is 3, guys. We're getting close. We're getting through it. All right, I'm feeling it. So I know you guys are feeling it too. Whew. Okay, let's hurry up and get this done, okay? We got things we gotta go do, people we gotta go see, lives to live. All right, we're on 2. Here we go. 1 and 2. All right. Prison squat. 1 and 2. Modified burpee. 1 and 2. Okay, this is it. I'm not taking a break. We're gonna get through this. We are on the last round of 1. Here we go. Let's finish strong. 1. Excuse me, sir. You are under arrest. No problem. 1. Right here. Modified burpee. 1. Give yourselves a round of applause. That is nice, simple, low impact. You can pick any 3 exercises, any 2 exercises, do a workout countdown. And let me tell you, it is a great workout. You can get done in 20 minutes. All right? Again, if you like these videos, if you like what we're about, go ahead and subscribe to Soul Rebels. We really do appreciate any of the support that we do get. And if you want to share these videos, please share them. Get us out there. All right, but go ahead and like this video. Go ahead and hit the ding dong bitch, and Soul Rebels out, man. Have a good one.